Hi again. Nick and I are co-organizers, along with a few other people who aren't here today, of SoCal Python. Another co-organizer who we lost earlier this year was Michael, otherwise known as Goodwill. Michael was, he was actually my first engineering manager, and he taught me a lot of the stuff that I talked about today. He was also just a really, really excellent developer, and he loved community. He really loved the Python community. If you ever went to one of the SoCal Python meetups, he would be one of the first people to talk to you, and he would like drag you over to another group of people and introduce you, and a lot of friends were made this way. So yeah, we just wanted to recognize his contributions to not only the Python community, but he was also a contributor to Pyramid, to the Nix library, and a bunch of other open source projects. And Scale, he just loved the open source community, and we wanted to recognize that.
Yeah, he also helped out with the first PyBeach, which some of you may remember from 2020. He was part of the connection for the venue, and he was also there the night before, going to see the place, figure out where stuff goes. He was there the morning of. He literally drove to get lunch, so if you had a snack at PyBeach 2020, you owe him that. But yeah, we have a Memoriam page for him on the website, socalpython.org. It's linked in the nav. There's a form. You can fill out the form if you want to say something nice, and it'll show up on that page shortly thereafter. We invite you to do that if in any way he has impacted you, if you feel so compelled. I think that's it. That's all we have. Just a fond memory of a friend of ours, and yours too, even if you didn't know him.